Hey, my name's Gary Cowan, and we just hired Quality Craftsmen for a job. It was a pretty extensive job. We took out a load-bearing wall here, separating our kitchen with the former dining room to open it up and have a lot better flow and be able to have an island here. We also took out this wall that separated the dining room and the den, so it's so much more of an open space and gives us a lot bigger kitchen and more room to breathe. Working with Quality Craftsmen was amazing. They were incredibly professional. They showed up every single day. The quality of work, the different crews that would come in to work with us were fantastic, very professional. The job was done in an amazing short amount of time, but the quality was, it's unmatched. It's probably the only home remodeling job we've had done of any kind without one hiccup. And Zet and his crew are they're second to none. And we really enjoyed working with them.